video, I'm going to talk about how you can use Excel forms to collect data and also opinions from other people. The good thing about using Excel forms is that you don't have to know anything about web editing. That means how to create a web page. And also you don't have to know anything about database management. That means how to manage your data. To create a new Excel form, you can simply choose the Excel Forms app and then say that you want to create a new form. After you create a new form, you have to give your form a title and a description to tell other people what kind of data that you're collecting using this form. So now let's say this form is going to be an Appliance Damage Report form. And the description is an Excel form to report damage or malfunctioning of home appliances. And then I'm going to add questions to my form. So let's say the first question is to ask for the customer's name. Then we can simply make it a text question. And now I make the first question to be customer name. And I make it required. That means customers must have to enter their names before they can submit the form. And I ask for the age of the customer in the second question. I make it optional. And under settings, I can choose restrictions to make sure that I'm always going to get some numeric answer for this question. For the third question, I'm going to ask for the report item using multiple choice. And the choice is going to be either a lamp, an air coil, or a fridge. And the last question is going to be about issues with the reported appliance. And now you can check your Excel form by choosing Preview. And notice that Excel forms is a counterexample of what you see is what you get software. Because what you see under the editor is not exactly the same as what other people see in the form. And now you can share the form to other people by choosing Share and then copy the hyperlink to share to other people. And then other people can use this hyperlink to share some information to you using this form. So let's say my name is Kenneth and my age is 20. But I cannot type in 20 for the second question because the second question requires some numeric answer. So I have to change it to a number, 20. And let's say the report item is a lamp and it's broken. Then I can submit this form and provide all this information to the owner of the form. So now, let me pretend to be other customers and provide more responses to this form. After you get all the responses, you can go to Responses to see all the details of your responses. And you can even save all the responses inside an Excel file. And we'll talk about how to manipulate this Excel file in the next module.